Hi viewers, welcome to my show. My name is Elegant Fabio and this is Real Cases and Calls. Alright, so today we have a very fantastic guest in our show today. Alright, her name is no other person but Mary. Mary is here with us today in the studio. She is an amazing personality and I can't wait for you to see her talk. Alright, so she's going to be with us in the studio today answering some freaky questions, and also we are going to get into personality questions where she's going to tell you about herself. I know for sure you're going to like her, and I know you know what to do if you like her. If you like Mary, don't hesitate to drop us a DM right now on WhatsApp with the number displaying right now on your screen, and we are going to help you hook you up with Mary. Mary is single and searching for a serious and committed relationship. So if you're watching me wherever you are watching me from, whether you are in Nigeria or outside Nigeria, in Lagos or outside Lagos, Mary is up for grabs. So the purpose of this show is for you to watch and like any personality you see in this show, just like Mary. Alright? So if you like Mary, do not hesitate. Like I said before, send a DM, send us a message on WhatsApp to the number on your screen right now, and we are going to help hook you up with this fantastic lady. She is black and beautiful. I know you'd love it. Alright, so with no much ado, let's have fun with Mary in the house. Yes, guys, let's get to the main show.